had a formula, like the one that we did together was about the number of pages, the number of copies, and how many reams of paper it would take, right? But they gave us all but one variable, so we were able to solve for the one. So in today's equations, we're going to have more than one variable, but our goal is still to just get one specific one all by itself. So we're still going to use the same process. First, we're going to review just solving equations. So we're going to start in this column over here. So, on this first one, x minus 7 equals 8, what would I want to do to solve it? Add 7. Alright, so that'll go away, and we get that x equals, good. Pretty easy, right? Okay. It's the same idea, even if it has two variables, right? We're just trying to get x by itself. The only thing with x right now is negative 5, so how would I move it? Add 5. Got to do it to both sides. That goes away. So now I have x equals. The only difference is I can't add a and 5 like I could 8 and 7, right? They don't go together. So you would literally just write a plus 5. Now you're done. So we're still going to use our same process as before. We just may not be able to combine them like we could previously. Alright? So this one right here, we've got 4k equals negative 12. How am I getting k by itself? Divide by 4. Alright? And I get that k equals, good. It's the same idea, even if we have two variables. It tells me I'm solving for k, so I want to get k by itself. How do I get rid of the 3 in front of it? So now I have k equals, can I actually divide m by 3? So I'm just going to leave it as m over 3. Okay. So here on this next one, what am I doing first over here on the left? Add 5, good. So then I have 2x equals 16. And then what do I need to do? Good. So I end up with x equals, good. Alright. Same idea over here. You just can't combine things. So try this one right here. You're trying to get b by itself. I'm going to let you try it first, and then we'll do it together. See if we're catching on. What do I do here first? Add 9, good. So now I have 2b equals, can I combine the b and the 9? So we just leave it as d plus 9. Then what we do? Good. That goes away. So I get b equals d plus 9 over 2. Alright, so over here, you need to move the 2 first, right? So I end up with 1/2 x equals 18. And how do I get rid of the 1/2? Divide it. Remember, you have options here. You could turn 1/2 into a decimal. You could put this in parentheses. You could do the alpha y equals and make it a fraction at the bottom. Your choice. Keep, change, flip, whatever. But I'm going to end up with x equals what? so same idea over here. What do I need to do first? So I've got 1/2 m equals, what do we get when we subtract? Good. Alright. Same idea, right? We need to divide by 1/2. Alright. This is actually one where we can go ahead and solve it, right? So what is negative 14 divided by 1/2? Good. So m equals negative 28. Good. Okay. Last row here. How do I get that negative 8 out of the bottom? Multiply, right? That's going to go away. And I end up with x equals, good. Okay, same idea over here. It says we're trying to get the a by itself. Right now there's an L underneath it. So how do I get that L out of the bottom? No, it's L. It's A, L, and W, like area, length, and width. But it will be the same process. Well, I mean, maybe one you probably just dropped it, right? But how would I get that out of the bottom? Times it, just like we did over there. So if you want to make it a cursive L so you can tell that's what you were trying to do, you're welcome to do that. If I do it on one side, got to do it on the other. So that's going to go away, and I'm going to have A is equal to W times L, or L times W. So the process works the same. Sometimes we just can't combine, like we were able to actually multiply the numbers here, we couldn't combine the letters. Any questions on these? Okay. All right.